If you remember, the other day I showed you exactly how to build your own AI voice in Assistable.ai. We kept it super simple, and now we're going to build on top of that. So what do we want to do? Let's make it do outbound calls. This could be used, say, for reminders, for rescheduling, for cold calling. Do check your laws in your country and your state before you do that, but this could be used for that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set up an outbound trigger in Go High Level. So whenever somebody is tagged with a specific tag, then they will receive a call from this AI voice assistant. Let's dive right in. Now, as you can see here, we have our very simple prompt. We kept it simple with a default prompt staying in there. We will need this, but actually I'll come back to that later just to not confuse you. Let's go over to our automations, which I have open here, and let's create a new workflow. This is going to be very, very simple. Let's go ahead and start from scratch. And we're going to call this, since the prompt is about rescheduling, we're going to call this start the rescheduling call. Outbound webhook. So this is the outbound webhook that we're going to be using, and I'll copy that because I want to use that for a tag. So to bring people into this, I will go ahead and grab contact tag over here. We're going to call this by that same name, tag added, and we're going to add a tag, and over here pop that in and add that as a new tag. Save that, publish that, and save that. Okay, there we go. Now it hasn't been published because there's no action, which is fine. So now to actually get it started, we'll have to have the action called, which is all the way on the bottom, assistant outbound call. We need the assistant ID for this. We can grab that from our assistant by just copying that. Okay, ID is copied. Let's paste that right in there. And let's save it. I've missed a field. Oh yeah, we have the intro message. So if you do want an intro message for this specific call, you could put it in right here. If not, then we'll say null, and it will just use whatever we have set up in our assistant integrate in the configuration here. Okay. So now since we have this set up, we should be able to publish and save, and ta-da! It is all done. It is ready to go. So let's give it a shot, shall we? So I'll just add the tag. This is in my contact that I want to make this call in. So I will just say, oh, that's not what I wanted. Reschedule. Start rescheduling call. And since I have that set up, that should now be going. I should be receiving. And the phone is ringing. Now, I don't know if you, and I don't want to take that because my phone is actually the camera. So now how do we turn this off? That is the question. I guess I will have to go ahead and turn it off here. Okay, so I hadn't figured out, I hadn't thought about the fact that I would have to turn off the call. And since it's an AI call, I don't have a hang up button here. So now that we have that taken care of and we saw that it worked, well, now one thing I should add is just a contact remove. So remove contact tag, just so we don't have things happening twice here. Wow, how difficult can it be? So I want to take that one out, and we'll just save it just so the contacts don't keep those tags. But as you can see, it's super simple to set up outbound calls. Now, if you don't yet have Assistable.ai, just make sure you use my affiliate link for that. That way you can get access to my membership stuff and support calls and build outs in the future so that you don't have to do all of that yourself. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Please do like.